So you want to start making dubstep? Don't worry, I've got you covered. And thanks to Black Lotus Audio, I'm going to show you the ultimate dubstep bundle. So the ultimate dubstep bundle by Black Lotus Audio is a collection of one of the best packs in Black Lotus. So you have the Horizon drums, you have some of the best Vital presets, including Odyssey, Boss Fight, Mutant, and Machina. You also have some project files, some patcher presets. It's really awesome. I have here loaded up one of the demo projects for Mutant, which I can give you guys a quick walkthrough and show you guys what this is, because there's a lot of things here that are in the Ultimate Dubstep Bundle, which is worth checking out. So you guys heard, it's really awesome sound design, some really hard punchy drums, and I'm going to start by showing you guys these drums because the drums are from Horizon, Black Lotus premium dubstep drum samples. I'm going to start by showing you, for example, the kicks, really punchy kicks. We also have the snare. It's really awesome, really punchy snares. Whole bunch of variety of drums here. We have some really cool cymbal loops. And something very important to know about this drum pack is that it's studio recorded drums. So Black Lotus Audio spent some time in the studio recording drum samples to create this pack. That's why you can hear some really, really natural sounding crashes, cymbals, hi-hats. And as such, as you can expect, if the drums are this high quality, so are the presets. So I'm going to load up a instance of Vital. Loading up the pack is really easy. You just go into your import tab here, import bank. Go to where you have your Ultimate Dubstep Bundle, and you'll see you have 4 Vital Bank packs. We got Machina, Mutant, Odyssey, and Boss Fight. Something very important is that Boss Fight is not available to purchase individually yet. So if you want to check out Boss Fight, you need to get the Ultimate Dubstep Bundle, get access to this exclusive pack. So when I click here, when I go into my preset browser, we have all our packs here. We got Odyssey, we got Mutant, we got Machina, we got Boss Fight. A 100 presets each pack, and not only that, but we also get for each pack some really awesome wavetables. So I'm gonna load up here and initialize patch. You guys can take a quick listen to some of the wavetables. Really premium wavetables for some really premium presets. And something that I forgot to mention about these presets, I'm going to show you now some Mutant presets. Each preset, as you saw, comes with all 4 macros populated, so you have some really awesome controls and you can really change up the sound, automate these patches, and create some really unique sounds just by switching up the macros. And of course, with the high variety of wavetables, you can take any preset and you can just go and switch around the wavetable like so, and just completely change the sound. It's easy as that. If you want something more unique, something more to your style, just change the wavetables and you got a new preset. And we also get some really cool stuff. We got some Machina processing racks. We got, for example, Chroma. You get some instructions here. I'm gonna create a really quick bass patch preset. And now I need to add a MIDI out set to port number 1 as stated by the instructions. So now you're making color bass melodic rhythm, as easy as that, and you can adjust always the control. And you can just change the preset now. As easy as that, you can start making some really cool color bass. So this pack really does cater to the dubstep community by giving you a huge variety of sounds you can do to create different styles of dubstep. So to end this video, I got some really huge news. So if you stay to the end of the video, that means you get to hear the announcement of the Ultimate Dubstep Bundle giveaway. I'm going to be doing a giveaway hosted by both me and Black Lotus Audio. Friday, June 3rd, I'm going to be releasing a new track which was done using sounds from the Ultimate Dubstep Bundle. And to celebrate, I'm going to be giving away 1 free copy of the Ultimate Dubstep Bundle. So if you guys want to check that out, links as always are in the description. So if you want a chance to win the Ultimate Dubstep Bundle, click the link down in the description. And if you don't want to play your chances and you just want to get the pack, link for purchase is also in the description. So anyways, thank you Black Lotus Audio for creating some really cool, awesome tools for producers to use to make dubstep. Thank you guys for watching this video. This was Soundkiller, and I'll see you in the next one.